Okay, so I found a box of mixed tiles so I can show you both tiles in the same box. This is all from Mod Walls and it is gorgeous. So this is the wall tile. It's glass. These are 4 by 12 inch tiles, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Yeah, 4 by 12. And they are glass. They are luminous and I love them. And then underneath, this is glass, so I'm going to move this really carefully. So this is the floor tile. These penny rounds in this yummy green color. So the whole bathroom is different shades of green that all really work together. Because remember, I have that vintage green tub too. So it's going to be green, but this will be graded with white, which will make the green pop and look kind of polka dotted. And I cannot even wait. This is so fun. So there you go, bathroom selection. Thanks, Mod Walls.